It is indeed a great pleasure to present to you at this particular time a bizarre, weird, wild, and explosive
You guys hear
new
that?
series.
Can you hear that in my headphones?
I am pleased to give
I
you
got my own track.
Freestyle Friday.
Welcome back to another Freestyle Friday. Every single week, we're gonna cook it my way. Recipes are free, you know I keep it hot. So grab a pen and paper, I'll show you what I got. So that fire beat was brought to you by my boy Benny. I'm gonna link him up below. Incredible Benny, just incredible. Him and his, I think his friend Chris produced that. Mad love. That is not the official version. We are still tweaking it. We're gonna do proper audio, proper music video, but shout out to Benny for hooking that up. Let's get into it. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Freestyle Fridays. Today I've got an absolute banger of a lunch. You guys like the lunches. Everyone's pushing for my luncheon ideas. One of my personal favorite is Caesar salad. Caesar salad obviously has a lot of egg, cheese, cream, combined, no bueno. So today we're gonna make a bangin' Caesar salad, maybe even a smoking Caesar salad, going heavy on that garlic. And we're gonna do it into a wrap style. And we're gonna skip out on the chicken and throw in the tofu. So we're doing a spicy barbecue tofu smoking Caesar salad. Does that sound good?
That sounds amazing.
Great. So to start, we're gonna use my famous cashew cream as a base, because you got to keep that stockpiled in your fridge at all times, because you never know when you're gonna want to whip up a Caesar, add it to a chili con carne, whatever you do with it. Okay. You're gonna see that little icon pop up. That is our cashew cream. We're gonna go ahead and make that. So I'm not gonna show you how to make that, but once you've made that, then you come back, pause this video. I'll be here when you get back, and we can continue on with our Caesar recipe. So if you haven't watched that video, go back another 15 seconds, click where I told you to point, and then getting text messages. Freestyle Friday's popping off. Before I forget, today's sponsor. You know how it is, chai walla chai. There's no special discount code or anything today. It's just pay full price, it's worth it, okay? I'm gonna set that right there. Okay, you can pause that. I gotta make some cashew cream. Nice. Today, instead of chicken, we're gonna use tofu. I love tofu. We're gonna crisp it up nice and crispy with a little bit of barbecue sauce. It's gonna taste like chicken, just like chicken. First things you gotta do is drain your tofu. It's gonna be sitting in some water. Here on Freestyle Friday, we don't got a big budget. So we're gonna use some TP.
Toilet paper?
Grab yourself some toilet paper, head to the bathroom. You know I like that triple ply. I'm gonna dab that. And we're gonna soak all that moisture out of there, because we're gonna pan fry that, so we don't want the moisture locked in there. And grab a nice non-stick pan. We're gonna heat that up. While that's warming up, I'm gonna come back over here. Now, if you got that cheap quality TP, you might get a little stickiness.
And then after you've used the toilet paper to get the tofu dry, you...
Welcome back. We're gonna take our nice piece of tofu here, and I'm just gonna do like one down the middle, and then I'm just gonna do little pieces like this. And we're gonna throw a little bit of oil on here. So that pan's nice and hot. You can go ahead and lay these little strips. Start crisping them up, bud. Hey, Christopher. Coming over later? Hello, Eamon speaking.
Hi there. Can you tell me, I'm madly in love with your chai tea.
Okay, sorry about that. We're doing business calls while we're on the vlog here. See how those guys are getting like nice and golden? Add a little cracked pepper on there. A medium-low heat. Once again, ours really only goes high or a little bit less high, so that'll work. And you're not really gonna burn them, like I said, so you don't need to pay too much attention to that. And we're gonna throw some mushrooms in there. I know mushrooms in a Caesar salad isn't really all that normal, but I think it adds a little bit of a nice flavor. And also, Beck doesn't like them, and the more things we can throw in the salad that Beck doesn't like, the more salad we get for us. Just kidding, she loves mushrooms though.
No.
Mushrooms, I just like to wipe the dirt off. I'm a big advocate of not washing mushrooms, because mushrooms are actually like a sponge, so they'll just soak in a bunch of water. We don't want that. Big ones I'm gonna go in half. I got a joke for you. What did the mushrooms say to the van lifer? I need mushroom.
Oh!
That was a way better reaction than I would have thought.
Did you just make that up?
Yeah.
I don't need mushroom.
Actually, I gotta be honest. That was better than mine. Mine was just like, I need mushroom, but I don't need mushroom is way better.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's actually funny. Okay, let's try it again. Give me a laugh, Eamon.
I don't know if I can, baby.
All right. So what does the mushroom say to the van lifer?
What does the van lifer say to the mushroom?
Yeah. Hey man, me and you are quite similar. We don't need mushroom.
But the mushroom needs mushrooms.
Oh, damn it. That joke will be funny if someone just hits it with the right angle. So comment below if you think you can step up that joke. Now we're gonna grab our cashew crema and we're gonna Caesarize this biznatch. The first thing we're gonna do, hit him with the nooch gods. Guys, if you don't know what nooch is, it stands for Nutritional Yeast. It's a vegan's best friend. I asked Lauren Toyota what it actually was the other day, but I totally forget. It just tastes delicious. It's got like a really cheesy flavor. So we're gonna add like about a tablespoon of that in there. By tablespoon, I mean tablespoon and a half. Boat ton of black pepper. And fresh gar. And maybe even more lemon, we'll see. Fresh gar, I'm just gonna go on an angle cut like that. See what I did there? So we're gonna add 3 pretty decent sized cloves of garlic. Another hit of lemon. And then we can bust it down, Charlie Brown. The one time we actually made these for Jer and Don, and the old mate Don didn't even realize. He thought he was having chicken. He thought we made him a special chicken Caesar wrap. But we didn't. We got you, Don, didn't we? We got you. I'm gonna add a little barbecue sauce. Shout out to SB Ray's. And I'm just gonna kind of go in there, just to give it like a little bit of a barbecue flavor. I'm also gonna add like a little bit of cayenne just to give it a little zip. Not heavy. We don't want this to be like a spicy chicken wrap. Just enough to give it a zip. Just a pinch. Just a dot. Just a little, hey, how are you? Zip. I actually like it a little bit burnt. We're gonna grab a bag of croutons. Make sure you check the back. These are nice seasoned croutons, organic. There's no dairy products in that. Awesome. Oh my goodness. Probably start with that, see how we go. Boom! Hit him in the face. That's unreal. That was me saying, boom, hit him in the face. I went with a whole wheat wrap. You can use any kind of wrap you like. Boom, we're gonna grab that. We're gonna go right onto a plate. Got a nice highway going down the middle. A little bit extra black pepper. Shout out to the nooch gods. You see we got a breach in the system, you gotta keep an eye on that one. Your hands are gonna get dirty. You have to get your hands dirty. If you notice them at Chipotle, their hands are dirty after they wrap. Okay, so we're gonna grab that with the hands. But they wear their gloves at Chipotle. I'm not sure you'd want anyone doing that. Oh, we have breached the system hard. We're gonna have to do that again. So these wraps are garbage. I'm not even gonna chirp the brand, but I would never buy them again. They don't wrap very good. I hope this guy's not coming to kick us out in the middle of a cooking show here. Like, bro, we're just doing a cooking show, okay? I can deal with a broken wrap. Guys, they're unreal. Like, I'm not just saying that so you have to make this, but they are like literally unreal. The cayenne is such a key little touch to spice that barbecue sauce up a little bit. Tastes like chicken. I would actually maybe even, I think wow. I think I might add a little bit of extra sauce into there. You wouldn't do that normally if you were just eating that as your Caesar salad, but as a wrap, it's nice to have a little bit of extra cream. Or you could just do a line of it inside your wrap. But we're almost wrapping up here. Get that pun?
I get it.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We're posting new recipe videos every single Friday. We're also daily vlogging right now, so it's crazy around here. Tag me in your pics. I'll be sure to keep you inspired. I'll be sure to enjoy one of these wraps right now because I'm starving as well. Show them that one.
Oh my gosh.
This is literally
Cheers, buddy.
perfect. How good is that?
So good.